Hi travelers! Let's take a trip to Banda Aceh, Aceh Besar 4 days and 3 nights with us. Of course, we will pick you up at Sultan Iskandar Muda Airport with MAX service. Our first destination is the Siron Mass Grave, where the cemetery is the last resting place for the victims of the 2004 Aceh tsunami. With all its diversity and characteristics, Aceh has a lot of traditional objects. You can see these objects at the Aceh Museum. Rumah Aceh is one of them. Rumah Aceh is a traditional Aceh house made of wood with carving typical Aceh carvings. After the Aceh Museum, we will see the Aceh Tsunami Museum. This museum is built to commemorate the 2004 Aceh tsunami, in which there are a lot of tsunami relics. You can also see the name of the tsunami victims on the prayer wells. Apart from the prayer wells, you can also see the Bridge of Hope. This bridge was made as a sign of gratitude for the people of Aceh for the countries that helped Aceh at that time. Apart from being a tourist destination, Aceh also has a lot of culinary that you can taste. For lunch, we will taste Acehnese food cooked with Acehnese spices that can spoil your tongue. For your lodging, of course, we have prepared an excellent hotel for you. Of course, you will stay safely and comfortably here. To go to Baitur Rahim Mosque, we will pass another mass grave of tsunami victims in Ulelu. This is the Jami Baitur Rahim Mosque, the mosque which was a silent witness to the 2004 tsunami. Located in the Ulelu beach area, this mosque is the only mosque that still stood firm when the tsunami hit the Ulelu beach area. Ulelu Beach is the perfect destination to see the beautiful sunset in Banda Aceh with incredible sea views. Here, you can also enjoy various kinds of culinary. This is the Baitur Rahman Grand Mosque, a mosque that has become a landmark of Banda Aceh since the era of Aceh Sultanate. The mosque holds a lot of history and a symbol of religion, culture, and nationalism of Acehnese people. For dinner, you can taste the delicious culinary delights of Aceh, namely Acehnese noodles. Noodles cooked with the typical Aceh spices, of course with a great taste. You can also enjoy the night view of Banda Aceh while eating the delicious Acehnese noodles. After dinner, we will return to the hotel to rest. Ladies and gentlemen, our first destination on the second day is Putropang Park. This park is a masterpiece of Sultan Iskandar Muda, which is dedicated to his beloved wife named Putropang. Another masterpiece of Sultan Iskandar Muda is Gunungan. The white building is made with a unique architectural form and often attracts the attention of tourists. The next iconic destination is the Cut Nyak House, the house of one of the national heroes from Aceh named Cut Nyak. Not far from Cut Nyak House, we will visit one of the beaches in Aceh Besar, namely Lampu Beach. While enjoying the beautiful sea views, you can also enjoy lunch with delicious seafood culinary delights here. Still in the Lampu Beach area, we will visit another religious destination, namely the Rahmatullah Mosque. The mosque, which is located 500 meters from the beach, is still standing after being hit by tsunami in 2004. Our next destination is the Dome of Gura Village. The dome of the mosque, weighing an estimated 80 tons, was carried by the tsunami wave 2.5 kilometers from its original location, the Gampong Lamtengah Mosque. Next, we will return to the Baitur Rahman Grand Mosque to carry out the Maghrib prayer. After the Maghrib prayer, we will have dinner by tasting the delicious culinary delight of Aceh, namely nasi goreng. Cooked with the special Aceh spices, of course, with a delicious taste. Enjoying the night view of Banda Aceh, it's not complete if not drink a cup of Acehnese coffee. Here, you can enjoy Aceh coffee with authentic Acehnese taste. Second day of the tour is over. Next, we will return to the hotel to rest. Our first destination on the third day is the ship over Lampulo House. Large fishing boats carried by the tsunami wave and land on the roof of residence house. Next, we will visit one of the religious tours in Aceh, namely the Shah Kuala Tomb. The Shah Kuala Tomb is the tomb of one of the great rulers in Aceh. This is the floating PLTD. The power generator ship weighing 2,600 tons was swept away by tsunami wave and landed in residential areas. This ship became a silent witness to the enormity of tsunami at that time. Before lunch, we will go to Blang Padang. The field is a destination for many people to relax, exercise, and even have a culinary tour. For lunch, we will take you to a restaurant with mouth-watering Aceh specialties. After lunch, we will shop at Pasar Aceh. Pasar Aceh, it is a market that is the main destination for the people of Aceh in terms of shopping. Visiting Aceh is not complete if you haven't bought Acehnese souvenirs. With various forms, these souvenirs can be a souvenir for your beloved family. Before returning to the hotel, we will enjoy dinner with other Aceh specialties, namely satay matang. This satay is very suitable to be eaten with hot rice while enjoying the night view of Banda Aceh. It's time to return to the hotel to rest. Check out hotel. Start our morning today. Our first destination on the last day is Jackie Chan Estate. This complex was built for the relocation of the tsunami victims from Banda Aceh and other areas in Aceh that were affected by tsunami in 2004. Banda Aceh also has great universities, namely Araniri State Islamic University and Shah Kuala University. These two universities are centers of education for students in Aceh. Before leaving Banda Aceh and Aceh Besar, we will take you to eat other Aceh specialties, namely ayam tangkap. Ayam tangkap is fried chicken cooked with special Aceh spices. Culture, customs, and millions of history have made Banda Aceh and Aceh Besar a destination for tourists to complete their journey. There are so many things that will make you fall in love with this land. Thank you for visiting Banda Aceh and Aceh Besar. See you next time!